What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I got Sonia behind me, and this is me officially announcing my online boutique. So what Sonia has on right now is an outfit that I have available. She's also rocking one of my accessories. This is something I've been working on for what seems like a long time, even though it really isn't. I've been working on it since the summer, but I'm finally able to announce the launch. I had this whole speech for my 1-year anniversary. I'll show some clips here that I wanted to announce, but it just didn't happen that way. For my 1 year, I wanted to spend as much time as I could with everybody. By the time I did all that, everybody left at the same time. So it didn't go as planned. I was able to announce it to my family because they were the ones who stayed a little bit later. Yeah, I'm announcing it now. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna do some clips on Sonia and just some of my favorite pieces, and I will link my website down below. This doesn't mean that I am quitting my salon. My salon is still growing and thriving, thank you God. I still am gonna be there from Wednesday to Saturday. So, you know, God willing, that is the plan. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do too is, if you don't want to pay for shipping, you can pick up at my shop. So I'll have all that on my Shopify account, you know, in detail, where you can pick up if you are a local buyer. Currently on my website, it's 30% off for Black Friday, that Saturday and Sunday, and then Cyber Monday. I'm gonna do 50% off my website. Get ready. I'm ready, so I'm getting myself ready for that. I hope you guys enjoy the products. I've spent a lot of time, a lot of energy on this. I'm just ready to get things rolling. The sooner I get out of this inventory, the sooner I can get more new stuff. My goal here is to keep it new, trendy. I want to have like a variety of things, not just for a certain type of female or whatever. I would love to introduce men's in the future. I'm gonna have merch, Glamour by B merch coming soon. Yeah, there's just a lot. There's gonna be like a lot coming, and I want it to be for all women's, all shapes and sizes, the younger crowd, my seniors that I love so much. Just a variety of things that you can buy. Like my shop, I want my boutique to be the one-stop shop. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Please enjoy these next few clips. Like I said, they're gonna be my favorites from the boutique, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel, give it a like. Write down in the comments what you want me to bring into the boutique. Forgive me for my voice, I think I'm starting to lose it. I hope you guys enjoy the boutique. Make sure you place your orders once November is done. Everything's going back to regular price. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out. So I'm over here packing up thinking I'm done with the video, and I forgot the most important part, the more exciting part, which is I am launching my very own cosmetic line. I named it GBB Cosmetics. I know you guys want the makeup, but maybe in the future I'll do makeup. For now, it's just stuff that I can make myself. So like my cuticle oils, I got a lash serum coming. I may bring in some lip glosses and my lash cleanser kit. I have some other ideas coming in the future, but no makeup. No makeup for now, but it is still a cosmetic line, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these products. Just know that I make everything with so much love, and the continued support doesn't go unnoticed. Obviously, this is how I'm able to do sorry, my voice. Obviously, this is how I'm able to do these things. From your support, my clients at the salon, that's growing. You know, Glamour By B is just expanding. It's growing, and I'm so happy. I think I'm gonna do like a try-on video next for the boutique. But yeah, hope you guys like this, and see you later.